What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Kreative. Go ahead, say it with me. We are back at it again to do what? To create something great. Now, I'm not going to hold you. One of the bots that I've took my time to be able to create and enable us to be able to paper trade wasn't doing so well the first couple of weeks in trading. And what we had to do was three setting changes that turned it all around. And what I want to do during this video is being able to break down ADXBaby. This is our bot that trades ADX and EMA and allow you to see what was the key changes that we've done in order to turn this thing around. So what I want you to do, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. So what you're looking at right now is a before we did these changes, right? So what you can see that ADX had 7 trading days, 20 trades, 40 under 50% win rate. The best trade or the best day it had was making $7. The worst day was $30, and its net P&L was about $58 in the red, right? So being able to look at the heat map, we can see that this bot, out of the 7 days, I mean, there are 3 that were good, but overall this bot wasn't performing well, right? And being able to look at the after these 3 changes, 8 trading days, 28 trades, 50-50, right? Best day was 21, worst day was 16, and right now this bot is in the green, right? And taking a look at our P&L, we can see, or a heat map, excuse me, you can see that the bot is performing a lot better. So let's go ahead and take a look at the changes that we've done, right? So what you're looking at right now is ADXBaby's change log, and these are just a few things that we have done done to be able to turn this bot around. So you can see when the bot first was released, it was ADX7, and we were looking for ADX7, meaning we're taking the last 7 minutes and we're filtering any signals that has a strong trend, and anything above 25 is letting me know that this is a strong trend, right? This is the trend strength, and we dropped that from 25 to 22, and we also changed the stack and a couple other things. So you can see here the initial release, and then from a couple of bugs that we had to fix, whether it was the time zone bug. So you can see here there was a UTC ET error, just normal things that we had to fix. Excuse me, I didn't want to cough in your ear. So as you can see here, there was quite comprehensive with the amount of items that we had to change with this bot in order to get it to be a lot better, right? So let's go ahead and look at the configs, right? And again, this bot trades QQQ. QQQ is the top 100 tech companies within the NASDAQ. And all of our bots, unless I tell you otherwise, are going to start with $100, right? And a minimum that it needs to trade is 25. And then we're looking at the session start time is 9:46 till 11:38. I was just testing something one day. So one thing that we did do is being able to notice that, remember, the EMA before was 3, 8, and 15. Slower EMA meant that we were missing moves that already happened, right? Using the Fibonacci sequence to be able to react faster, what we were able to find is 2, 3, 5 is a lot better. In addition to that, the threshold, right? We went from 7 minutes to 5 minutes, and we went from 25 to 22. In addition to that, what we also added was this breach system, meaning that we noticed that, if I can just find it, we noticed that the bot, here it is, we noticed that the bot was exiting trades way too early. So we added this breach system. So a single wick was stopping us out of positions, but these positions were covered immediately after I just kept monitoring them, right? Now what we're doing is we're requiring 2 consecutive wicks below in order for us to like stop out in this position. So what I want to do now is let's go ahead and look at the trend for our bot, right? So overall, if you want to take a look at all of our bots, right? So you can see ADXBaby is leading the way. And there's a couple others that we do need to fix. I'm not going to hold you, bruv. Just looking at ADXBaby, we're looking at $45 up, right? Week over week and a month over month as well. And just looking at today's trades, the bot did perform well. So it had 60% today. We're looking at VIX and today is March 30th, 2026, whenever you're watching this. And VIX was extremely high today, right? The range was anywhere between 29 and 30, and the percentile was 90 percentile. The bot still was able to trade 5 trades, and out of those 5 trades, we had 2 that didn't work our way, and a few. But if the bot would have held this one, I felt like this one was working our way, but we just jumped out too early. But nonetheless, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It is your boy Kreative. I'll be back at it again with another episode.